Let's make kale chips with nutritional yeast. The recipe is in the description box below. Wash and dry the kale. Remove the tough stems. Tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Place the kale leaves in a large mixing bowl and drizzle them with olive oil. Massage the kale leaves gently with your hands for 1 to 2 minutes until they're evenly coated and slightly softened. Sprinkle the kale leaves with 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Add salt and any spices you like. Toss the kale leaves again to evenly distribute the salt and spices. Arrange the kale in a single layer on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. At 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, turning the trays halfway through until the edges are crisp but not browned. Let the chips cool slightly before serving and enjoy.